Hello dear traders, welcome to the weekly trading review of SabioTrade Wave Rider strategy. This week we made 13 trades, 4 of them were closed with a loss and 9 trades were closed with a profit. Currently we have one open trade on the British pound. This is a selling trade and it's also currently in profit. Let's switch to the MetaTrader platform and check all the trades starting from the first currency pair, the Australian dollar against the US dollar. As you can see, we are on an hourly time frame. Each vertical line separates one trading day and we highlighted the previous week with a gray rectangle. So speaking about the technical picture, we can see that after the price broke the previous local high the week before, it didn't increase in price and we started to decline gradually with lowering highs and obviously lowering lows, and we broke through the previous level of support that we tried to break at the beginning of this month, and we can see that this kind of local movement that we had finally ended and the market shifted to the local downtrend. This week we were trading mostly gaining the buying positions. Let's switch to the 15-minute time frame and check all the trades that we made. So we closed our selling trade from the previous week, and then we started gaining the buying position and made 4 trades that we closed on Friday with a profit. Also on Friday we opened 2 selling trades and closed them near the market close hours. The total profit amounted to $62. We do not have any open trades so far. On a daily time frame we can see that this uptrend still continues, although you may notice that every time that market tries to get to the new highs, it is not an easy task, but every time that we are trying to go down we have very strong impulses. So I am sure that sooner or later we're gonna see kind of a strong correction, and personally I expect to see the decline to this level of support. Maybe it will take a couple of months, but still the chances that the price may decline to these levels is quite high. We already broke the previous local lows, so the next level of support that we can meet is somewhere here, which is quite close to the level of support that we're expecting. Let's move to the next currency pair. This is the British pound against the US dollar, and as you can see we started this week from a decline and actually we ended this week lower than the previous week's lows. So it means that the market faced a strong resistance level and is more likely to continue this kind of a decline because the price was continuously growing for 5 months. If we switch on a monthly time frame we can see that the price had this kind of pattern of 5 candles in a row that really appeared only 3 times in the modern history. The first time it was in 2029, had 5 consecutive growing candles, and then we also had this pattern in 2021, we also had 5 falling candles, and in both cases we had a small decline and after we had a huge decline. And in 2009 we also had this kind of a small decline and then we had a huge decline. So that's why I think that the price is likely to repeat this kind of pattern. Maybe it will not fall down and reach the global support at once, but still the chance that it will remain somewhere in this price range is quite high. If we switch to the daily time frame we're gonna see that the price is approaching a strong consolidation zone where it may spend the rest of this month. Speaking about the trades, we can see that we also were making buying trades. Every time the price was showing up new local lows and then breaking these new local lows, we were opening buying positions. We closed the first chain of trades on Wednesday, and on Friday we made another selling trade. This week's profit amounted to $6. I hope that all traders that were following trading signals this week made good profits. If you have any questions, feel free to write them in comments to this video or ask me directly in Telegram. I wish you a successful trading week and see you in the next video review.